This is a video about what is in my fridge because someone told me to do it, so I guess I am. Opening the fridge door. Oh, on the fridge door we have the energy rating, not really energy efficient. My school timetable, a magnet that says falling in love is easy but staying in love is something very special, a dentist thing, a Harry Rag, Port Phillip thing, Elwood College absent thing, and a Aladdin dance leaflet, my mother. In the fridge door we have some weird curry stuff, 2 different types of cheeses, mustard and pesto. Then we have chocolate sauce and ketchup, a milk and weird yogurt stuff. In the freezer we have some fruit, which is about it. And then we have oranges, grapes, grated cheese, whatever this is, chicken, which is really weird, eggs, carrot, and in this weird little drawer thing we have apples and carrot. That's really what's in my fridge. It's not really that interesting unless you eat weird things you can't name. But yeah, guess that's it.